Do you see that? Like right now I'm taking it out for the test drive, and you can see like the engine bay right there, and so far it's, you know, so good. Oh Jesus. I believe it's driving fine now, so you know, we're not getting any overheating temperatures. So far so good. Okay, that's good. Wow. Downshift through the cage. And if we come to the, holy shit. So like if we come to a complete idle, that's when it usually dies. So, you know, we'll try it from here. Look, if we go down to first gear, yeah, it's good. It's good, holy shit. Crazy, bro. Like we're good, you know, we're chilling. Holy. Welcome back to the vlog. So we are back, as you can see, with the Porsche. I'm here with Sydney. She's holding the camera right now, and we're still in town. We're about to go get my oil changed right now. So yes, I'm not gonna change my oil because I just do not have time for that. Not right now, not today, not tonight, not tomorrow, not this week. Don't have time for an oil change, so I'm gonna just have a shop do it, you know what I'm saying? And so far it's only good, no engine lights. I did happen to put back the original Bosch MAF sensor because that one, like I said, if you guys remember from my past video, it was manufactured 2024. The one that I ordered was in 2019. And you know, right now we're not throwing any engine lights, but here's the main issue. During like a cold start, you'll start to feel that engine rumble and brrr, you know? And so my dad and I and my other homie Aram, shout out to Aram, all three of us suspected that it had something to do with a throttle body. But the ignition coils were plugged in correctly, and the spark plug, I did not check the spark plugs, but the coil packs were all properly inserted. So far so good. But yeah, like the car is running all well, all good, and it shifts great. So yeah. All right, guys, everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It's a little quirky spot, but you know, it'll suffice. So where are we at right now? We're in the Audi, as y'all can see. Different vehicle. I just picked it up from the dealership. It was getting an oil change. So anyways, what's going on with the Porsche right now? Basically, I need to get a new battery. The brand is called Start. I wouldn't recommend it. I was reading through a little bit of forums saying a lot of people experience lots of times where they experience the battery draining in unexpected situations. So, you know, for example, like mine, even the battery was fully charged, right? Fully charged battery. I had a Black & Decker battery charger. Anyways, it said it was full, started it up, none. So, you know, I had to hit the battery recondition button and let it sit for a day. But yeah, so, you know, it drives, that's what matters, point A to point B, right? But that whole engine rattling thing with the whole, like, you know, the whole engine, the rear, you can feel it. It, like I said, it only stays there during the cold start, but after that, you know, I'm fine. It's not dying like it used to. So, you know, and I'm not getting any more low oil temperatures or low oil pressure readings. But I did get another check engine light last night, and the battery is just, I'm assuming that's what the battery is. That's why the engine light popped up, because, you know, I mean, if there's nothing mechanically wrong with the car except the whole engine thing, then, you know, and I wasn't getting a check engine light with that. So most likely the culprit is a very, very low battery. And for example, last night every time I turned the car off, I had to jump start it. So I always carry my jump starter with me now, starting yesterday. So, but yeah, that's what's going on with the Porsche right now. I will I'll keep everyone updated on, you know, what I'm gonna do next to fix it up, figure it out, because it's a whole headache, you know, just sitting there getting that AOS replacement, the oil filler tube, you know, try to diagnose it myself without any professional knowledge of the 986, just going based off YouTube videos and forums. So, you know, sometimes that's what you got to do. That's what you got to do, you know. But that's the fun of it. That's the experience you get to learn. Check out that house, guys. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so about to head home right now. But so far so good, you know. Yeah. New hopes here. But thank you for everybody staying tuned in for the whole video and the whole series of the Porsche. There will be many more to come because I have a feeling we're not done yet. So yeah, like I said, I really appreciate everybody watching my videos, and thank you. Alright, back to the vlog, you know. Let me just turn down my music. Anyway, so we're back at the Porsche, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so we were only able to get 4 quarts out. So, you know, I had to go down to the local AutoZone really quickly and get us, might have to put the camera down real quick. Oh no, we're chilling. So I had to go down to the local AutoZone and, you know, get us a couple 3 more quarts, because I had the 5 quart, the 5 jug, you know. So yeah, I bought 3 more quarts. That was like $37, 38 flat. But, you know, rounding up. But anyways, you know, not that bad. I'm gonna take it easy on this bird. Not trying to do a drift ski. Anyways, so yeah, you know, it's going well. We're going well. We're chilling so far. So far, so good. Gosh, I miss this car. You guys ever get that feeling that when you're working on your vehicle, it's taking a while, and then you finally finish it, and then you get to sit back on it, and then you're all good? You know, there's probably a school bus coming, right? There's probably a school bus out there. Yeah, there is. Yep. Yeah.